Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. I'm so crazy busy, but my mornings are manic. I wake up at 5:30 a.m. every day and I leave my house at 7:30 to catch my train to go downtown for work. Now in those 2 hours, I have to make breakfast, I have to pack lunches, I answer my social media, as well as I have to get showered and dressed and out the door. I found a way to make my mornings a little bit easier. Here are 3 easy make-ahead breakfasts. The first one is a mason jar omelette. This is incredible. You can put all of your ingredients into a regular mason jar and have it sitting in your fridge overnight. And the next day, all you need to do is shake it, put it into your microwave, and away you go. The second one is a delicious stuffed croissant. This is stuffed with an egg and a smoked salmon salad. All I do is prepare the egg and smoked salmon a day ahead, and in the morning, all I need to do is heat up my croissant, slit it on the top, and stuff it with this delicious egg and smoked salmon mixture. It's good to go. The third one is a delicious egg burrito. This is a scrambled egg that I make ahead, stuff into a burrito with cheese and all the fixings, and in the morning, all I need to do is unwrap it, stick it into my oven, and it's ready to go. Now, before I go any further with these recipes, do make sure that you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. That's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. I'm going to make mason jar omelets in these grease jars. These mason jars hold about 250 ml, and I'm just going to crack 2 eggs in each. You can top these omelets any way you like. I'm just adding some salt and pepper. I've also got a tablespoon of sliced red chili and chopped coriander. You can add any herb you like. I'm just going to divide this into the 2 containers. I've also got about 2 tablespoons of diced chicken wieners. And a tablespoon of spring onion. Pop the lid on and store this in your fridge for 2 to 3 days. When you're ready to cook this, give it a really good shake. Pop the lids off and place these on top of a sheet of kitchen towel in your microwave. Now, every microwave is different, so you do have to figure out what works best for you in terms of timing. I like to cook this first for 1 minute. And after that minute, I'm just going to give it a quick stir. It helps cook faster, but it also gives you a really nice soft texture. I'm going to put this back in the microwave for another minute. This time though, I'm going to watch it like a hawk, as it can rise pretty quick. If you're not watching it, it could spill over. You may notice that some rise higher than others. It's attributed to the water content in the eggs, but it's also the weight of the ingredients. It's also possible for one to cook faster than the other, and if that happens, just give the one that looks a little undone a few more seconds. If you're planning to eat this on the go, grab a fork, but make sure to put a clean lid back on and off you go. Next, I'm going to prepare some egg and salmon salad stuffed croissants. It's a lot to say, but a very delicious recipe. I'm going to start with 4 eggs that I've hard boiled. The easiest and fastest way to dice these is to use your egg slicer. Cut one way, flip, and cut the other. There, done. I'm also going to add a few tablespoons of mayonnaise and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, some salt and pepper, and roughly about a half cup of diced smoked salmon. I'm also going to throw in a teaspoon of diced dill, as this goes so well with the mustard and salmon. Stick this in the fridge overnight. When you're ready, lightly toast your croissants and make a well in the center and stuff it with this delectable filling. Just to be fancy, I'm going to garnish with a salmon rose and some leftover dill sprig. This makes a great grab-and-go breakfast, And it's also a great item to serve at brunch or a fancy breakfast. Next, I'm going to make some egg burritos. In a saute pan that I've heated up, I'm going to add some oil and half a cup of diced onion and spring onion. I'm going to crack all 4 eggs into a bowl and I'm going to season this with salt and pepper. I'm also going to add 4 tablespoons of milk for a silky texture. Whip your eggs so they are nice and frothy. Next, I'm going to throw in a 1/4 cup of diced chicken wieners, a 1/4 cup of diced mushrooms, and a 1/4 cup of diced green peppers. Now, what's a burrito without beans? I'm also going to throw in a 1/4 cup of canned black beans. And for some extra nutrition, I'm going to throw in a half cup of spinach. For flavor, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of taco seasoning and I'm just going to mix everything together. Next, I'm going to pour in the beaten eggs. I'm just going to add some more salt and pepper and I'm going to start to scramble this. Once cool, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of finely diced coriander. Now it's time to roll the burritos. Watch carefully. I have an 8-inch tortilla laid out on a piece of foil. Add a couple of tablespoons of the filling, a tablespoon of salsa, and 2 tablespoons of grated cheese. First, fold in the sides. And using your thumbs, fold the top half in and almost tuck this under the filling. Roll over on the other side as well. Bring the rolled burrito up to the top of the foil and roll this to seal. The burrito encased in the foil will help keep its shape. Let's watch this again. Fold in the sides and using your thumbs, fold the top half over and almost tuck this under the filling. Roll over the other side. Bring the rolled burrito up to the top of the foil and roll to seal. Once your burritos are done, you can stick them in the fridge or you could even freeze them. If you want to reheat them, you can stick them in the oven for 20 minutes, or if you don't have the time, just remove the foil, microwave it first and just toast it for a few minutes. These burritos are a delicious and hearty way to start your day. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I hope that these 3 easy make-ahead breakfasts is going to make your life easier. Please do leave me your comments in the comment section below. I love to hear from you. Also do ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. I hope to hit 50,000 subscribers this year. I hope that you can help me get there. Also, make sure to follow me on all of my social channels. All the fun happens there behind the scenes. So make sure you're following me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Until I see you next time, take care and happy eating. Bye.